Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I clean the oven here in our home with just white vinegar and baking soda. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Since February, I've been cleaning each week one area of our kitchen. I've cleaned the refrigerator, the pantry, under the kitchen sink, all the drawers, and today I'm cleaning the oven. Now, before we get started, let me encourage you, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, would love to have you as one of our family members. And just by pressing that subscribe button below, you automatically become a member of our family here. And by pressing the bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to be notified when new videos are uploaded weekly. Now, let's really get started in cleaning the oven. Come with me. Welcome to our kitchen. In today's video, I'll be cleaning the oven with baking soda and vinegar. I'll be going through the process step by step and hope you follow me along. Let's get started. Now, there are two ovens, but I'm just going to be cleaning the top oven today. Let's start outside at the barbecue area here. This is where I had pre-soaked some of the racks here. With the pink stuff and barbecuer's friend. First, I thought I had enough of the Easy Off to use to clean the racks, but I didn't. So I ended up just using the pink stuff, which worked really well, and the barkeeper's friend to clean not just the racks here, but also some of the baking tins that we have, baking sheets here as well. So I'm just wiping the interior now with baking soda and water. The next step is just to wipe with a clean cloth to get rid of all the baking soda. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is the final step, just to use some paper towel to wipe it down, dry all the areas, and it's all done. This is the bottom oven that we did not clean this time because it doesn't get as much use as the top oven here. This is the one that does most work and of course needs more cleaning, and so I'll encourage you to clean your oven if you haven't already done so. It's one of those jobs that we sometimes think that we hate to do, of course, but it's well worth the time spent in cleaning the oven. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and I look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.
Some time to